Hi! In front of me is our Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Firstly, just click on Messages app and select one of your tabs. Then tap on this little icon with a camera and the photo located at the bottom left corner. Finally, you can click on your photos right away to add them or select Gallery. You can add your photos the same way from here. You can also click on Folders, look for your photos, and tap on the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!